One of the important things you need to take into consideration is to make sure you protect your online activities. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to simply protect your Google account from hacker. Very easy step-by-step guide without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on settings right here. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for Google. So click on Google. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply proceed with your Google account. It's going to take you right here. Then click on Google account. Then at this point here, next thing you need to do is to swipe this way and make sure you navigate to security. So click on security. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you click on two-step verification. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to enter your login password right here. Then click on next. Then you will be taken to this particular page right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on add phone number. From the point right here, make sure you click on here to choose your country. So I'm going to simply select my country right here. Having selected your country, simply enter your mobile number right here. Then click on next. And a code is going to be sent to the number you provide to Google. Wait for the code and enter the code right here. Then the next thing we want to do here is to simply enter the verification code right here. So I have to check on my message right here, my message notification. So my Google verification code here is 01. So I'm going to come back here. I will type in 01. Then I'll go back here and check 015447. 5447. Then I'll simply click on verify right here. Turn on two-step verification. It's that simple. Next thing we want to do here is to simply click on done. And it's as simple as that. So you can see right here that your account is protected with two-step verification. With that, nobody will be able to hack your Google account, because each time anybody wants to try to have access to your Google account, Google is going to send a verification code to your account. Then if you are not the one that is trying to access the account, what you need to do is to simply decline the request. So what you need to do is to simply decline the request. As you can see right here, that two verification here is now being fully turned on into the account. So with that, your account is fully protected and nobody will have access except you give a consent to the account. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply secure and protect your Google account from hacker. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.